Happy Earth Day, everyone. I don't understand why we have to celebrate only one day as Earth Day because we basically live on Earth every single day. Earth looks after us every single day, and we celebrate for Earth one day. Everyone is bombing Earth left, right, center. Everyone are chopping trees, plants everywhere on Earth. Hardly there are any plantation projects happening anywhere. UAE is doing a great job. I'm really proud of them. Across the world, compared to any other country, India is seeing the hottest days. So where are we actually looking after Earth? Earth needs care, love, protection. That's great. We are all celebrating Earth Day today, but may I request you to do something about our planet Earth? Do some exercises with school kids, college kids, and communities as well. Try to plant seeds, saplings, and trees. If you have, terrace, use that terrace. Plant some, plants. Across the globe, there are several children, struggling for water. Communities are struggling for water. Maybe Saudi Arabia, UAE, these are actually having these desalination plants. Maybe they can teach the world or help the world to have desalination plants across the world. So uh, you know communities who need water can get water. There are so many people who are actually doing beautiful projects that can help save earth, everyone whoever wants to do eco-friendly project, they're hardly getting any help. I think people whoever are working on eco-friendly projects, they should get more support, and they should, anything that is good for planet earth has to be taught to others as well. For example, if somebody is working on eco-friendly sanitary napkins, I think it's good to actually make business models in such a way, but people can take franchises from you and they can start up something of your brand in their areas, so that they can women can have little startups, and the eco-friendly products can, be done in their area as well. And for example, somebody are making products which can be dissolvable, instead of using plastic free products which are eco-friendly. I think those products as well, they should have franchise business models, so that people from across the globe, if they want to start up or something, they should be able to get support for starting up a franchise. For example, government should provide loans if anybody wants to do franchise startups uh, which are good for the, planet earth. So I think whoever is working on eco-friendly projects, green projects, a few people are actually doing plantation projects, hydroponic projects and stuff like that. Those people actually should also assist people to learn how to do that. And I don't know why good things should not be secrets, good things have to grow. If you keep good things as secrets for the world, they will not be able to be useful for the world, no. Whatever ideas you are getting, yeah, they are coming from god. This much I can say. When they're coming from god, it means that god wants you to work on projects that are good for the world, right? So don't keep it to yourself, no? Share it with the world. The good has to be shared. Okay, I had several good ideas. I wish somebody I wanted someone to co-create with me. I don't know, all these big names on social media, I try to uh, reach out to them, but I think they are big names on social media, but when it comes to help, nobody actually comes to help you. If you want someone to co-create with you, they don't even respond. I don't know what's the matter with them. It's a shame that good projects which are needed for the world, if they don't get support, then what is the point? I have beautiful ideas that can actually solve so many grassroots issues, and I've been openly speaking about it, and I've been asking for help to co-create. I'm not a commercial person. I want someone to co-create with me so that it can be useful for the world. I'm not selfish or greedy, and people, whoever has the capability to support, and if they're not supporting, I don't know what to say to them. Even though I'm just telling to the world openly that these are the projects that I have, these are the projects that I want to do, and these many people it will be helping, or it will be supporting the world. There is a pin drop silence. I don't know what this silence what does this silence do. I wish to tell the world that have courage to support people who are doing good things in the world. And especially who want to solve grassroots issues. They deserve support. I have seen people giving big fat donations for big NGOs, and they don't even have transparency about what they do. For example, I give transparency for every single penny that is being given to us. And we do voluntary projects also. We keep our heart and soul for those projects. And those are the most deserving projects that we do. And we keep it open, and every single project is showcased as well. So why are we not getting support is something I really don't understand. Do we only have to have big names? I think to have big names, you need to do marketing and all that stuff. We don't do marketing. We don't have budget for marketing. We just do the project. For example, if we have to put money from our pocket to complete the cause, we do it. And everyone, whoever, I don't have any savings. I put all my money into the projects because I love supporting people. It's important to support people who genuinely work on the ground to support people. If anybody wants to help the projects that I am doing, we have several single mothers who deserve help. There are several children who deserve help. There are several special children who deserve help. There are several elderly living in old age homes. There are several orphans who deserve help. And we love to do solve model involving students to help them solve the causes around them. So we wanted someone to come forward to support those projects, to co-create those projects. If anybody is interested, please, I really look forward for support. Instead of doing things, I would say we give you value for money. Whatever you do, whatever support you would like to give it to us, we are quite transparent. We will do things with you, so you will know what is happening, how it is happening, and stuff like that. So if anybody wants to, I would like to human resources for any recruitment. If anybody, there are so many people who are struggling because they don't have jobs. If any companies need support for recruitment, we have great people who deserve jobs. So if you need any support for recruitment, we are happy to help you. I'm happy to provide consultation for that. And if anybody wants to have consultations for CSR projects, I'm happy to give consultation for CSR projects as well. Everything we do is on the ground. So if anybody would like to co-create beautiful things with us, please come forward. This is Trikala from Global Support Organization and Motherly. We look forward for your support. Happy Earth Day, everyone. I love you, sky. I love you, stars. I love you, universe. I love you, moon. I love you, everyone. Take care. Have a great day.